This is to show you how to sign up for Sight Reading Factory. You're going to start by going to sightreadingfactory.com, and once you are there, you're going to go to the top right corner and click the link that says register. Once you have registered, there should be a green box here that says, "Are you a student?" Click here to sign up with your student code. Click that link and enter the student code. Our student code for South Choirs is T as in Tango, the number 6, E as in Echo, C as in Charlie, H as in Hilo, and J as in Java. T6ECHJ. Click subscribe. I am older than 12. Enter your school email. I'm going to enter our South Choirs email for the sake of practice. Good old I'm a Saxon. Password. Create your password. You can use what's suggested or create your own. Be sure and click the box that says that you agree and click subscribe. The next box that you should see, or the next page you should see rather, is a list of choirs here. Make sure not to click on the first one, which is chamber choir, unless you're in chamber choir. Be sure and click on the choir that you belong to. In this case, I'm a Saxon is going to be part of Camerata Chanteuse. Click Enroll, and you're in. Once you're there, you can start sight reading practice or look at your assignments and get to work in Sight Reading Factory.